Hi there guys and gals, good day to each every one of you. Not so sunny afternoon, late afternoon. Guys, time to reveal for how much coins that I've saved. Well guys and gals, congratulate me because I beat my record last week from 2,547. I've got a whopping of, gosh, you can't really believe, 2,913 pesos! Gosh, it's almost 3,000. Congratulate me guys and gals. See that? If I were you, keep on saving money. You're saving right now? Very good. Atta girl. And also, and you also? Atta boy. Perfect. Very good. Guys and gals, it's not only because the Christmas countdown you are saving money, but because as every day of your life, okay?